Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Creative Genes. My name is Silky and today I'm going to show you how you can use the empty cardboard boxes and biscuit trays to organize our stuff. So before we get started, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. This is the table which is cluttered with so many things. So today we are going to declutter all of this and organize it into small boxes. I have a few of these Pani Puri boxes which I'm going to convert today into my storage boxes. So first we will remove the ingredients inside the box. We are going to use this wrapper to wrap the boxes. So first we are going to tape the box properly. Now let's cut the box like this. Do not throw this away, this can be utilized somewhere else. So use this paper now to wrap the boxes. I've already prepared a few boxes, you can see. So we are going to use these boxes which I have covered. Also I have a few of these trays which comes in the bakery biscuits. So instead of throwing it away, I have kept them. Now I'm going to utilize these to store my stuff. Once you have categorized the things, now place them in the boxes and keep them on the table.